Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making sweet potato fries in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 2 sweet potatoes and we're just going to peel it real quick. Okay, we have it peeled. Just going to remove this. Alright, and now we're going to slice it up. I'm going to cut the ends off. Remove that. There we go. Cut it in half again. There we go. First thing we're gonna do is put it into a bowl real quick, and we're gonna give it a real quick rinse. Okay, now that we rinsed the sweet potato fries, we're gonna dry it up real quick. Okay, now that we dried it up, let's add the seasoning. But before we do that, we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. There we go. First thing we're going to add is some sea salt. Some garlic powder. There we go. Some smoked paprika. And lastly, we're just going to add some black pepper. There we go, we're set. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated to 320 degrees, and now we're going to put in the fries. First thing we're going to do is spray some olive oil. And then we're gonna put in the fries. So, give it a good shake. And we're gonna put it in. And we're going for 320 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And at the halfway point, we'll toss them around a little bit. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. And now we're gonna toss the fries around. Looking good, pretty hot. Okay, there we go, and we're just going to add a little bit more olive oil, and that's it. And we're going to put it back in for the last 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, let's take them out. Oh yeah, look at that, it's looking great. Okay, let's take them out of the basket. Okay, this is what we have today, sweet potato fries made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.